See, now we have our diving board and everything else, but we got to create water. And you're going to ask, how are you going to create water, Bruce? Well, simple enough. What you're going to do is you're going to go to a craft store and you're just going to buy blue cellophane. Very simple, very easy. And what you're going to do is you're going to lay strips down of your blue cellophane. Now you're going to take clear packing tape and you're going to do your seams, okay? Don't worry about the edges, just do your seams. And you're going to come out as far as you'd like, depending on the size of your stage in your room. Now before you start laying the cellophane, what I want you to do is unroll it and have the kids just take it, and I want you to crumple it all up. And after you crumple it up, go ahead and lay it back down. You're going to say, why, Bruce? Because what that does is it gives you little ripples in the water. When you put your lighting on it, just gives it that extra added effect and detail. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take a very simple box cutter, and you're going to take this box cutter and using very, very little pressure on it, is you're going to take your box cutter, and you can see what we did here is we created this undulating line that just gives it a nice, cool look and feel, so it's not all jaggedy and stuff. Then what we did is we want to round it with clear packing tape again to take down the edges so the kids don't trip on it. So after we cut all our stuff and the volunteers pulled away, we had some extra stuff that they were throwing out. And I go, wait, hold on, don't throw it out. So what you do is you take the extra stuff, you crimple it up, and look what you can do with it. It looks like bubbles and like the water has movement, so don't throw that extra cellophane out.